Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a gorgeous Yamaha XT600 from 1986. Big single cylinder 600cc engine, really beautiful 4-valve bike, absolutely stunning colour scheme, the right colour scheme I think for the XT, which is just red and white. 1986 of course. First thing I want to show you is that we have a brand new rear tyre that will be going onto the bike, because the current rear tyre is a bit cracked, which I'm going to show you as well. So that'll come with the rear tyre done to it as standard, so you don't have to worry about that. But overall condition is pretty good considering the bike and the type of bikes that these are. Tank is in really nice condition overall, as you can see, which is important. Instrument cluster all good as well, same with the buttons on the left and right hand side. Obviously new grips been put on. Mirrors are good, little scuff a little bit on the side. We've hand guards, indicators, front headlamp assembly and everything like that is all nice. The gaiters itself are new or have been replaced recently enough. Front tire is probably not great. Front disc here looking good. What else do we have? The engine area itself on the right hand side all looking nice. A little bit of marking on the frame, but again these are worn with boots and that's just really the nature of these types of bikes. A little bit of a rip in the seat, but nothing too crazy. Is the original Yamaha seat as well, which is nice to have. Exhaust is in good condition, no rusting. A little bit of melting you can see probably from the exhaust rubbing a little bit at some stage. Left hand side chain there as well, that rear tire you can see. I'm just going to see if this is going to blow over on me. Hold on. Chain looks okay, sprocket looks okay. Side stand only on this bike. As you can see, there's the engine itself, all looking pretty good overall. Left hand side of the tank again, really nice condition. Frame as well, everything all looking pretty good. So that's kind of it for the little visual overview of the XT600. Let's go for a spin. Okay, I see we're recording. Yes, we are. Okay, let's see how many kicks this takes. Big 600, completely cold. Where is the headers? I know I'm wearing the glove, but if I was holding it on there when it was hot, I'd still be bent and burnt. So, completely dead cold. Fuel is on, choke is on. Not the worst. About 4 kicks. Not the worst at all. Considering it's a big 600, that's actually pretty good going. Considering it's a big single cylinder to kick over. First thing you'll notice is sitting position is very comfortable. Sit upright, arms are out, very relaxed. Pegs are very relaxed. Plenty of torque. Just gonna turn down that choke a little bit and turn right when I come out of here. What's going on here? And away we do the usual route. But yeah, very comfortable. Suspension feels good. The everything feels quite tactile in terms of the all the clutch, brakes and gear lever all feels pretty nice. Gonna turn right up here. Funny that they went that way. Oh come on, like you're on my side of the fucking road. Jesus Christ, you're looking at me like I have two heads. Speedo and everything like that working nicely. All very good. I mean, no complaints so far. Kicked over pretty easy. Going through all the gears pretty smooth. Fueling seems good. Kicking down the gears nicely. And we'll do a little turnabout here. Yeah, feel the power. I mean, absolutely spot on. XT600. We looked over this bike quite well. We previously we had this bike in before. We know the previous owner. They did very, very small mileage on it from when they bought it from us last. So yeah, the bike is pretty good to go in my eyes. Although I think people, come on, like, Jesus, what's going on there? Pulling out, no indicator on my side of the road. Okay, anyway, forget about that. We're gonna go left here and then we'll do all the electrics and all that kind of stuff. But I can see I already tested them just before I went out. It was all working nicely enough. So horn is working, the indicators are good. Gonna turn in left here. I might just if I was riding this for the road, I might adjust the gear lever slightly, just because it's a bit high, obviously for like riding in boots, you know. Ticking over nicely now. So I'm going to go through the indicators. If we can get the indicator going here. Front left indicator, rear left indicator. There we go. And rear right indicator working, front right indicator working, front headlamp working, horn working. So that's all the electrics. Very simple on this bike. High and low beam, high beam and low beam working. So everything working on the bike in terms of electrics. Ticking over nicely, going through all the gears, braking, front and rear light working there, rear brake light working. Kick in 4 kicks from dead cold, pretty good going. So really nice looking bike, proper colours. Reasonably priced as that's going to go up at, so you know, I can't complain, certainly. But if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.